Y'all check out my 60-day tomatoes. These are Saucy Marys. She's gonna stay relatively green. So they are a green Roma paste type tomato. Oh, look at that. Hold on. That look like a little bit of, I hope that ain't blossom end rot setting in. But I've been having to refill these. Oh, that is, y'all. Look, blossom end rot on these tomatoes. But I've been having to refill the water so fast. I should have been adding calcium, so this is on me. But over here I have the almondine, and these are also paste tomatoes, and it only got 3 baby tomatoes on here. There's another one on here somewhere. It's a third one somewhere, y'all, but they're coming in pretty healthy. Oh, there go that other third one back there. Y'all see it? Yeah, peeking. But they look pretty good, so the calcium on this side is pretty good. This is the Alluru, and she is flowering. I've been caught myself getting in here hand pollinating them. I don't see any baby tomatoes on this plant just yet, but she's been drinking up a lot of water, which lets me know that it's going to be some kind of production coming soon. I'm going to go ahead on and add some calcium to her too. She got plenty of flower buds on here, y'all. She's also 60 days old. This is also a 60-day-old Blazing Beauty here. And she got 1 flower on her. Not really a heavy drinker, kind of a slow and steady growth habit on this one. She was a little behind than the rest of them. But this one and Alluru here are both slicer style tomatoes, so they might come in just a little bit slower. Then we get over here to my cherry tomatoes. This is a Red Robin, super productive. Might need to add some calcium here too. And I don't see any end rot, blossom end rot on these, so it's just those Saucy Marys with all that constant refilling. I should have been adding some calcium too. Look at this one. This is the German D's. I got these from Baker's Creek, and it is loaded. It has been the best responder to hydroponics so far. Really, really nice. And over here is the Sweet Scarlet. She's supposed to be a bright red slicer, and she got plenty of flowers on her too. I've been hand pollinating, but she might need a little bit of calcium too. She got a little lean on her, so I'm gonna have to put a better trellising up on her. But yeah, all of these are 60-day tomatoes.